Introducing the adjustable setup block. A versatile, single setup block that doesn't limit you to just one size. The adjustable setup block features a top and bottom 1/64 inch scale. You can set the tool to your critical dimension in 3 easy steps. Just depress the quick adjust button and slide the reference surface up or down close to your mark. Use the micro adjust to dial in your exact dimension. Then tighten the locking knob. It's that easy. The top scale measures the distance from the bottom of the base to the top face of the reference surface, making it ideal for setting bit depths at the drill press or your table saw fence position. The bottom scale measures the distance from the bottom of the base to the bottom face of the reference surface. It's perfect for adjusting the height of a router bit in your router table or setting the depth of cut on your table saw. The triangular base and reference surface are meticulously machined from a solid billet of aluminum and then anodized with our famous Woodpeckers red finish. The stainless steel inlays are precision cut on our state-of-the-art laser cutter, and then are carefully polished with an old-school jeweled finish using modern technology. The adjustable setup block is also available in metric, featuring a 0.5 mm top and bottom scale, giving you a range from 0.5 mm up to 28 mm. For quick and easy storage, we included a wall-mountable racket to keep your tool well protected, but always in plain sight. Keep an entire set of reference blocks right in your pocket. Order Woodpeckers adjustable setup block today.
When you face the challenge of working at angles other than 90 degrees, you need a layout tool you can trust. Blue Spruce Tool Works sliding bevel gauge earns your trust with proven performance in every angle layout job. What sets the Blue Spruce Tool Works sliding bevel gauge apart from the rest? Well, first, there's the internal locking mechanism. Traditional bevel gauges just squeeze the body sections together. Even with heavy pressure on the clamping knob, the blade can still move out of position. The Blue Spruce Tool Works design uses a clamping wedge that applies even, forceful pressure on the blade. The locking knob is conveniently located at the end of the body. The connecting arm engages the wedge and locks the blade solidly with only moderate pressure on the locking knob. But it isn't all about the blade not moving. When you're setting an angle, you can adjust the clamping knob to give you just the right amount of drag so you can match your angle perfectly. Then it will stay right there until you can lock it up tight. Finally, there's the customization. Make your Blue Spruce Tool Works sliding bevel gauge truly your own by selecting the size, body color, and species of wood for the infill. Tell us exactly what you want, and we'll build it for you with the same care and attention to detail we've put into every tool we've made over the last 12 years.
So you want to know more about Triton's auto jaws clamps?
Then stick around, this is probably the video for you.
If you've seen any of the videos over on our channel, you may have noticed that we've been using these for a while, and they are Triton's auto jaws clamps, and we think they are awesome.
They come in 2 versions, face clamps and drill press and bench clamps, which work perfectly on our pillar drill. They're super versatile and we've used them in pretty much every project since we got them.
What makes these clamps so good is that they automatically adjust their clamping width based on the thickness of material you're using.
jaws are cam lock clamps, which are different to the other types of clamps in this style, which are typically wedge lock clamps.
Traditional wedge lock clamps rely on friction to create the clamping force, which ultimately means that over time, the material inside the mechanism will wear away, creating more misfires and a shorter lifespan of the clamp.
Also, wedge lock style clamps tend to be a little bit less consistent and are also a bit more fiddly to adjust to the exact pressure that you need.
Whereas the Triton Auto Jaws are all-round much better clamps. They provide more consistent clamping pressure,
They maintain pressure across different thicknesses,
they can be fine-tuned more easily,
they're easier to release,
they misfire less often,
and they have a longer lifespan. Both the face clamps and the drill press and bench clamps come in 3 and 6 inch options, which refers to their maximum clamping width.
All 3-inch versions have a clamping pressure ranging from 10 to 180 kilograms, whereas the 6-inch versions have a clamping pressure of 10 to 110 kilograms. The little adjustment screw on the back can be used to dial the clamping force up and down as you need it. We keep finding more and more ways to use these clamps in our workshop. They're pretty much now our go-to clamp for anything we need to do.
Thank you for watching the video and hopefully you found that useful.
See you on the next one.
This is the Bosch CM10GD dual bevel glide miter saw. This saw combines evolutionary performance with revolutionary design. Remodelers, trim carpenters, and woodworkers will appreciate the unbelievable engineering that went into this space-saving design. This patented axial glide system provides consistent precision over the life of the tool while saving you up to 10 inches of workspace. Notice how there are no rails? With this design, you can push this right up against the wall. The glide action also allows for unmatched smoothness of cut. With 12-inch nominal horizontal capacity, 5-inch vertical capacity, and 6-inch crown capacity against the fence, you get an expanded cutting capacity on this 10-inch saw. Upfront bevel controls mean no more reaching to the back of the tool. Make adjustments quickly and easily. The integrated crown chop lock lets you lock the head in place for maximum chop cutting capacity for upright base molding and nested crown. Easily set up the bevel with the tall 4 1/4 inch fences for increased crown molding capacity. So this is it, the Bosch CM10GD 10-inch dual bevel glide miter saw. You really have to try this thing to believe how smooth it is. For more information on this tool, reference this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch miter saws.